Tymon using his timeout here. That means he gets to decide when we resume. He gets up to 10 minutes for his timeout.
Chat's calling for an orange hoodie.
An orange hoodie?
To make a return for Feliks.
Oh. The monkey leg.
Oh,
here it comes.
Chat gets its wish. For those of you who don't know, the orange hoodie is a very famous hoodie that Feliks has worn on multiple occasions to break an absolute multitude of world records.
Chat is going crazy.
Yeah, Tymon has up to 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, there it is! The orange hoodie makes its return. Chat got their wish. Oh, very nice.
Oh, man. Mats Volk on his shirt, orange hoodie on.
He's channeling the power of 2013 when he won his first world championship. And he's back again to try and win his first online championship, the Monkey League.
We're seeing final form right now.
Yeah, Keaton, that's an interesting point. I don't think we are. I think there's more to come.
There's one more layer?
Yeah.
Oh my
What's the other layer?
Somebody's saying game over. Yeah, once he puts on the orange hoodie, Tymon has no chance. And he's been gone the whole time, so he has no clue what's going on. He's gonna be so confused. Like, how did Feliks? Like, what happened to his camera? Is something going on? Like, he's...
The orange hoodie.
Yes, Lucas.
That's before Tymon's time.
And he's back.
There we go. Can you see?
He's focused.
What's happening?
Do you notice anything different about Feliks?
Wait. Oh, he changed his shirts.
He's too young. He won't get it.
He doesn't know.
It was retired in 2015.
Oh, that's before Tymon started cubing.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. The orange hoodie makes its return, the legendary hoodie that Feliks won in so many of his championship victories, world records.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
It's coming to him.